Hey, are you interested in learning? Check out our videos. Want more knowledge content? Make sure you've subscribed to our channel.
Welcome back. In today's session, we're diving into AI-powered productivity tools, the game changers that are transforming how we work, collaborate, and create in 2025. Whether you're a marketer, developer, content creator, or business professional, these tools are designed to make your workflow smoother and more efficient. So, what exactly are AI productivity tools? Simply put, they are software solutions powered by artificial intelligence that help you automate repetitive tasks, manage information more effectively, and make smarter decisions faster. Think of them as your digital assistants, always ready to handle the mundane so you can focus on what truly matters. Let's start with AI writing assistants. Tools like Jasper, Writer, and Pseudowrite are revolutionizing content creation. They can generate blog posts, social media captions, email drafts, and more, all tailored to your style and audience. For instance, Jasper is widely used for crafting SEO-optimized content, while Pseudowrite assists in creative writing, helping authors overcome writer's block. Moving on to AI-powered design tools, platforms like Canva, Magic Studio, and Luca are making design accessible to everyone. With just a few clicks, you can create stunning graphics, presentations, and even brand logos. These tools use AI to suggest layouts, color schemes, and fonts that align with your content's tone and purpose. For those in the video production space, Runway ML and Opus Clip are leading the charge. Runway ML offers a suite of generative AI tools for video editing, allowing creators to produce high-quality content without the need for advanced technical skills. Opus Clip, on the other hand, is designed for quick video edits, making it ideal for social media content creators looking to produce engaging videos on the fly. When it comes to task automation, N8N, Zapier, and Make are top contenders. These platforms enable you to connect various applications and automate workflows without writing a single line of code. For example, you can set up a workflow where every new email attachment is automatically saved to your cloud storage, or where new form submissions trigger a series of follow-up emails. For meeting management, tools like Fathom and Nyota are proving invaluable. They can record, transcribe, and summarize meetings, allowing you to focus on the discussion rather than taking notes. These summaries can then be shared with team members or used for future reference. In the realm of knowledge management, Notion AI and Guru are helping individuals and teams organize information more effectively. Notion AI can assist in summarizing notes, generating content ideas, and even creating task lists, all within a single platform. Now, let's talk about AI-powered search and research tools. Perplexity and Notebook LM are redefining how we gather and process information. Perplexity offers a conversational search experience, providing direct answers and sources, while Notebook LM allows you to interact with your research notes, making it easier to extract insights and generate summaries. Lastly, for those involved in coding and development, tools like Cursor, Zed, and Aider are enhancing productivity. These AI-powered code editors offer features like code completion, error detection, and even code generation, helping developers write cleaner and more efficient code faster. The beauty of these AI productivity tools lies in their ability to integrate seamlessly into your existing workflow. They are not here to replace you, but to augment your capabilities, allowing you to accomplish more in less time. For beginners looking to get started, I recommend choosing one tool that aligns with your immediate needs. Explore its features, experiment with different use cases, and gradually incorporate it into your daily routine. As you become more comfortable, you can expand your toolkit and explore other tools that complement your workflow. In summary, AI-powered productivity tools are not just a trend but a necessity in today's fast-paced world. By leveraging these tools, you can streamline your tasks, enhance your creativity, and ultimately achieve more with less effort. That wraps up today's session on AI-powered productivity tools. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to comment below with any questions or topics you'd like us to cover next.
How did you feel? Is it helpful? Appreciate our efforts in the comment section below. Hit like button, share with your friends about us, subscribe our channel to get further updates, stay connected with us on social networking sites. For more free tutorials, visit our website www.learneticguide.net.